The aisle I always check when I am grocery shopping is the candy aisle. I'm always looking to see if there are new things that I can try freeze drying. And this week at Walmart, I found a candy that I have never seen before. Well, actually 3 candies. So I am going to take you along on my freeze drying journey of trying out some new candies in our freeze dryer. Today is a very good day because the sun is shining outside here in Alaska. I swear for the last week or 2 weeks, it seems, we have been under a layer of fog. It has just been nothing but fog. We have had a lot of rain, a lot of fog. We had 1 day of heavy snow already, but that has all melted. Today is sunny and beautiful. I'll have to take you guys outside later in the video and just show you the sunshine because I'm excited about it. I'm going to show you the candies I found at Walmart just a few days ago. They are so stinking cute. Can't even wait. Have you guys seen these before? They are called Skittles Littles. And they are these teeny tiny little Skittles. They are so cute. I haven't even opened the bag, so I don't even know what they look like. I'm obviously just teeny tiny Skittles, but I thought these would be so fun to freeze dry. This obviously is not going to be something that is going to be good for like selling freeze dried candy because one bag would not even probably fill a normal freeze dried candy bag. But this is going to be fun to see how they turn out, and my kids I know are gonna love it. The next candy. I found the mini Starburst. These are just like unwrapped little teeny tiny Starbursts. They were right next to the Skittles Littles, and so we got to try the mini Starburst too. They were so cute. I think this bag is a all red and pink bag. This is a regular multi-flavored bag. I think I got 4 of these, and I got 1 more candy to try. Just kidding, 2 more candies to try. The Skittles gummies. I have not tried the Skittles gummies. I have not seen them done on the internet. Don't know how they're gonna turn out, but I thought this would be fun to try. So I got the sour ones because I just love sour candy. So sour Skittles gummies. And then Starburst had gummies also. They're called Starburst Airs. I have not done these either. So we're gonna try these out also. I have just lined up my trays with some parchment paper. I'm gonna get the candies onto the trays and then we will get them into the freeze dryer. Here in my freeze dryer, I am going to go to customize. I'm resetting. You can skip the top 2 settings. Oh, I'm trying to get the glare off of there. Because when you do candy mode, it's gonna skip the freeze time. So that doesn't matter. You can zero it out if you want to, but you don't have to. As you increase your dry temp, I'm gonna go all the way up to 150. It tells you that you're in candy high temperature mode. We will be using that later. And because I have gummies, I'm gonna do this for 6 hours. If it was just the Skittles, I would do 4 hours because those go pretty fast, but we're gonna give it a little extra time for gummies. They may need even longer than 6 hours, but 6 is what we're trying with today. These candies are so cute. Look how little. I mean, they are so adorable. The little Starburst remind me of the little Chiclets gum. That's exactly what they look like that you can get in Mexico. So good. But Starburst, is your family gearing up for Halloween? We had our first Halloween party last night at our neighbor's house. It was so much fun. She does like a Halloween bingo party and I love bingo. It was awesome. I won one of the rounds. Let my daughter choose the prize. She got a lava lamp that now all of my children are fighting over. So we finally decided that every other night it can travel to, one night will be in the boys' room, one night will be in the girls' room. I mean, we're just gonna have to get a second lava lamp, but who knew they would be so excited for a lava lamp? But that was super fun. I will show a picture at the end of the video of the kids in their costumes. Super cute. They love Halloween, of course. What kid doesn't? But are you guys dressing up for Halloween? If you are, I would love to know what your costumes are. So fun. So up here at my freeze dryer, it is ready to go. I am going to select candy process on, close up my drain valve, and then load up the trays. So I am just hitting continue. I am going to warm the trays. I find that Starburst do much better on a warm tray. I think gummies do too. So I'm gonna hit start when it asks about warming trays. And I've never warmed them for 10 minutes before. I'm gonna warm them for 10 minutes. So that's all we gotta do. Our freeze dryer is going to warm the trays, and then once they're warmed, do the vacuum pump, and our freeze dryer is gonna puff up our candy and make it delicious. And here's our little buddy Wussels. Say hello.
Hello.
Did you see the candy we're freeze drying?
Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah.
Little baby Skittles and baby Starbursts. And some gummies.
On the top.
Yeah. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Tell the people that you're gonna be a taste tester.
I'm gonna be a taste tester.
And you can tell them if it's good, okay?
It's gonna be good. Yeah. The top is gonna be good. This one and this one.
Okay, let's say bye. See you in 6 hours.
Bye. No. I want to press it.
Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am taking my candy out a little early. I know I set it for I think 6 hours, but it is almost bedtime for my kids right now, so I need to get this out so I can get them to bed. We will be doing our taste test tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But I will show you how these are looking straight out of the freeze dryer, and they look awesome. Look how cute these turned out. I mean, I expected them to look just like the normal freeze-dried Skittle, but smaller, but they're adorable. I love little tiny things. And here are the little mini Starbursts. They kind of puffed up. They're adorable. These Skittles, gummies, did not do anything. But look at the Starbursts. Okay, here's what's funny. These are the pinks. The pinks did not puff up much. I mean, they puffed up a little. But look, these are the reds. They blew up pretty big. The yellow and the orange did too. So I don't know what the deal is with the pinks, why they didn't get as big, but there you have it. It all looks amazing. Okay, I'll do a quick little taste test of the Starburst gummy because this looks so fun. Oh yeah. These are amazing. They like melt in your mouth completely. Fun crunch. I may need to add these to my freeze drying candy shop. I'm pleasantly surprised with how these turned out. So I am going to get these bagged up, and then after school tomorrow, I'm gonna let my kids do a taste test of the freeze dried Skittles and Starburst mini. So that'll be fun. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I do want to let you know if you are interested in purchasing a freeze dryer so you can make fun freeze dried candy and do all the fun food preservation that you can do with the freeze dryer, which I absolutely love. You can check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. The info will take you to the Harvest Right website where you can shop for freeze dryers. If you do purchase a freeze dryer from my affiliate link, I will send you my cute little I'd freeze dry that magnet with some other like stickers and little goodies as a thank you for supporting my YouTube channel here. Another great way to support my channel is just by watching my videos, liking, subscribing, commenting. All of that greatly helps my channel. And I appreciate all of you who do that. You guys are all the best. Happy freeze drying. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. What time is it, kids?
Taste test time!
All right, we're just getting ready for school, so why not load them up on some sugar? They're gonna try the Starburst gummy first.
Nom 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 nom.
Those are good, huh? I tried that one. What do you think?
That's a perfect.
Does it melt in your mouth?
Kinda. It's so perfect.
All righty, we got the Skittles Littles. Are they just like the regular Skittles, but small? Good.
Yeah.
Last but not least, mini Starburst. Show us what it looks like.
Starburst.
Or did you already shove it in your mouth?
Hard.
Pretty crunchy?
Can't chew it.
You could just suck on it. Does it taste good?
Yeah.
All right, everyone say bye.
Bye.
Well, the mornings are definitely getting darker around here. It's about 8:20 and it's fairly dark still, but in about a month or so, it'll be like pitch black still at this time. So yay for that. But we've been so lucky. It's been nice and clear. We haven't had any more snow since our one snowfall a week or two ago. So that's great. Well, there you have it. I think these candies were definitely a win. If you find these at your local grocery stores, I would totally try them. They are just a fun new way to mix up traditional freeze-dried candy. I do want to throw out there that I totally apologize for being slow on my channel lately. Our house has been hit with some different sicknesses lately, and it has just been hard to do my freeze drying. I even started filming this video last week, and then I came down with a sickness quickly thereafter, and I'm just now barely getting to finish. I don't know what is going on, but this has really knocked me down. So I am just trying to get better and get back into the groove of freeze drying. I obviously don't want to be freeze drying while I'm sick because no one wants sickly germs on their freeze dried food. So I will be getting back into the swing of things soon. So thank you so much for sticking with me and being patient around here. I am so grateful for all of your support, even when I'm not posting videos. I appreciate you guys being there. So thank you for following along. I hope you at least enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll be getting back to normally scheduled freeze drying soon. We are having some more chilly weather lately. Tomorrow the high is like 33 degrees, so it's gonna be chilly, but it's sunny. I can handle the cold if there is sunshine. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but it's so nice to see sunshine. So we got some good things happening here in Alaska. We were hoping to not have snow on the ground for Halloween. So far it's looking okay, but I don't have the forecast out till Halloween yet. So we will find out soon, but it's all good. The kids are super excited. We have some fun Halloween parties coming up, and my kids totally love Halloween. I got my Halloween sweater on today. If you have any fun Halloween traditions, I would love to hear them. I would love to know what you or your kids are dressing up as. I will show you the picture of my kids from our Halloween party that we got to go to last week before I got sick. And it was super fun. My kids love all things Halloween. I mean, I think every kid does when a holiday is around, dressing up and getting lots of candy. Hope you guys have a good week, and I will catch you on the next freeze drying adventure. Bye.